Are you frustrated because your Instagram Messenger icon has vanished, leaving you unable to quickly access your chats? Don't worry. Let's dive into a few simple fixes to bring it back. First, head to your app store that's either the Google Play Store for Android or the App Store for iPhones. Search for Instagram and check if there's an available update and outdated app is often the culprit behind these kinds of glitches. Tap that update button and let it install. If updating doesn't do the trick, let's try clearing the cache. Go to your phone settings, then find apps or applications. Scroll down until you find Instagram and tap on it. Next, tap on Storage or Storage and Cache. Look for the Clear Cache button and tap that. This removes temporary files that might be causing the problem. Still no luck? Okay, the final solution is to completely uninstall and reinstall the Instagram app. This ensures you have a fresh installation, free of any corrupted files. Once installed, log back in and your Messenger icon should be back where it belongs. Hopefully one of these tips solved the disappearing Messenger icon mystery. Let us know in the comments which method worked for you, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tech tips and tricks.